Good evening, friends. Today I am going to discuss about adjectives. Of course, it is a continuation of adjectives. My previous class, I was discussed about some letters, and also we have made adjectives. I believe you are aware of them since if you are regular to my classes on Sundays, definitely will know them in detail. I believe it. And today I am going to discuss about continuation of adjectives. I believe you are aware of three types of comparisons. Commonly, these comparison is based or expressed in three different types of degrees. Mostly, some of you are aware of them. I believe some of you are not aware of them. So, I'm going to say in a short time about three types of comparison. First one is number one is a positive degree of comparison, and number two is a comparative degree of comparison, and number three is a superlative degree of comparison corresponding meanings I have given after the bracket. Please you only glance them. I don't want to discuss about them, but I expect you to remember three different types of comparison. I don't want to say once again. It's all about quick reminding or quick revision. I'm saying about these things. Therefore, I directly move to irregular comparison. That means ನಿಯಮಿತ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Some common adjectives are decided by three different types of degree of comparison. As you know, at the beginning I have mentioned good or well. It is a positive degree of comparison. Later in a comparative it is better, and superlative it becomes the best. Next one is a bad or ill, and it is a positive degree of comparison. Comparative degree of comparison it becomes worse, and later superlative it has become worst. Next adjective is about little. It is a positive degree of comparison. Later, in case of comparative degree of comparison, it becomes more, and in case of superlative, it becomes like a most. Likewise, macho in case of positive degree of comparison, more will come under comparative degree of comparison, and obviously superlative comparison we are having a most. Next one is the many. It is come under the super positive degree of comparison, and more comes under compared to degree of comparison. Later we have a most. It is come under the superlative degree of comparison. Last one is a light means ತಡವಾಗಿ it is come under the positive degree of comparison. In case of comparative degree of comparison, we are having a later or later. Please check spelling of these words LATER and LATTR. The meaning of them is almost the same. You don't have to worry about that. But we move to next one superlative degree of comparison. That is the latest. Latest means recent one I can say, or new one I can say that. With these short information, I am going to wind up this. As usual, by next Monday, we are going to discuss about adjectives, and in that we are going to learn about irregular comparison. We are learning not so knowing them. I mean, we are going to learn about new type of irregular comparison by next Monday. So those who are watching, watch completely. Then only you will become intelligent too. Obviously, I expect you to subscribe my channel, and expect you to like my channel, and also request you to share to your friends. So this also I am going to say my final word is thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. I mean by next tomorrow.